Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to Betterment College in CAP Round 2. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. First, ensure you fully grasp what Betterment entails and if you qualify. Then, take a moment to evaluate your current college and course. This initial assessment is crucial for making informed decisions moving forward. Once you've decided to pursue Betterment, the next step is straightforward. Access your admission portal with your unique login details. Locate and click on the Betterment option associated with your current seat allocation. Carefully review your selection, then confirm and submit your application. It's important to complete this step within the specified time frame.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Quick recommendation. For all you busy students, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh while you're studying or on the go. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
To maximize your chances, a strategic approach to college selection is key. Thoroughly research institutions and programs that align with your higher preferences. Use your academic scores and rank to prioritize your choices effectively. Also, weigh other important factors such as the college's location, the quality of its faculty, and available infrastructure. This thoughtful process can lead to a better outcome. As you proceed, keep a few critical tips in mind. Always stay updated on the official deadlines for CAP Round 2 to avoid missing any steps. It's vital to understand that opting for Betterment means you might receive a completely new college or course allocation. Be prepared for these potential changes, as your previous seat will be forfeited if a new one is offered.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.